Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to perform division in a notebook. We will cover the essential steps to accurately solve division problems. Understanding division is a core mathematical skill, allowing you to split numbers into equal parts. We'll break down the process into simple, manageable steps, ensuring you can confidently tackle any division challenge. To begin, you need to correctly set up your division problem in your notebook. First, draw the long division symbol, which looks like a half box. Place the number being divided, called the dividend, inside this symbol. The number you are dividing by, the divisor, goes outside to the left. Clear alignment of your numbers is crucial for an organized and accurate solution. Now, let's perform the core division steps. Start by dividing the first digit or 2 of the dividend by the divisor. Write the result, the quotient digit, above the dividend. Next, multiply this quotient digit by the divisor and write the product directly below the part of the dividend you just used. Subtract this product, then bring down the next digit from the dividend to continue the process. After completing all the division steps, you might have a number left over. This is your remainder. If so, write it next to your quotient, typically preceded by the letter R. To verify your work, multiply your final quotient by the original divisor. Then, add any remainder to that product. This sum should exactly equal your original dividend, confirming your division is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.